Hey guys, how you doing? Me Tom here. Guess who? Me Tom here. Anyways, I just picked this thing up today at swap meet for a pretty good price. Just want to do a quick demo of the Trex 250 back here in the driveway. No 3D, haven't flipped it over yet, but we'll just do a little if the bugs don't fly in my eyeball. Quick demo. The bugs are driving me crazy though here. Got a fly, he's gonna fly in my face. Wind in my tail. Bring it over here, it's a little calmer. It's better over here. Not as much wind. Still pretty nice. Pretty swift little heli. Nothing much, only a second battery with the helicopter. Need to take it to the park. That's about it, just a short vid to haven't even flipped the 3D switch yet. That'll be on the next vid, guys, so thanks for watching another episode of Hat King. Trex 250. Pretty cool little unit. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys.